today we are visiting Tan Rua Waterfall. Oh, that feels good to take this helmet off. We just had a lovely drive through pretty much like the forest, or jungle I should say. We saw water buffalo on our way here. It was absolutely stunning. I'm a little nervous because it's very hilly and this is a big step for me being on a motorbike because I'm very scared, but this view is totally worth it. So we're gonna head on a little hike to a waterfall. It's gonna be nice to be surrounded by trees, finally reach a waterfall to cool off.
You can hear the jungle around us. Can't start to imagine what kind of reptiles must be in these bushes. Really freaks me out. We are trying to find the entrance of the trail that goes to the hike to the waterfall. Some people have said on Google that it might be hard to find, but something tells me we're getting close. That says secret fall 50 meter. Is that?
We're really going in the jungle.
We're going in the grass. No. We should go that way.
It says this way. I don't have hiking shoes on.
It's pretty steep. I don't know if you could tell.
Yeah. But we just ran into a guy and I asked him. So he said this way to the waterfall. He said it's pretty rocky, but there will be someone else to guide us the right way. This.
Is that a swing?
And there's a coffee shop, so once we've done the hike and come back, we can reward ourselves.
Oh, this is like pure jungle right now. I'm freaking out.
Don't be scared.
We've seen some pretty big reptiles on this trip.
It's okay, God will protect us. I keep feeling like Mowgli in the Jungle Book when he's going down and touching the branches to get help, and then it's a snake. And they all kind of look like snakes, so I'm very aware right now.
By the way, I have a huge phobia of snakes and reptiles, so I'm really stepping out of my comfort zone. This is the freakiest place we've been in all of Thailand.
But it's beautiful. Paul is saying freaky because this is really freaky to him. It is absolutely beautiful, but it is true. Like, you're really in the jungle and there's no one around us. There's no people here at all. We've only ran into 2 people on the way up, and that was on the outside, so.
I think we made it.
We made it, and it was like, what, not even 10 minutes?
Go have a coffee.
Yes.
That sounds super good right now.
I don't think they're open because we woke up early and we'll see if they're open. I don't know. This was such a great idea. I wanted to rise early this morning and get out before it got too hot, and also try and do a hike where there's not a lot of people. I don't know if this place gets too busy. We just found it on Google Maps by seeing where the closest waterfall was to us. And we found this one, and I'm so glad we came here. It's crazy because it was not a hike at all, but it's so nice because we're the only ones here, and it's absolutely stunning. And just hearing all the nature around us, the water, the bugs, the trees, it's really, really a special place. I highly recommend, if you are ever in Koh Samui, to come to this waterfall. I'm hoping when we go back up that the cafe is open so we can enjoy a nice coffee, and I didn't even have any coffee this morning, and this was a perfect way to wake me up. It's absolutely beautiful. So the coffee shop doesn't look like it's open, but we met a friend who's following us, and this view is absolutely stunning. I really want to find out what time they're open because I would love to come here and just sit here and relax. It is so loud, it is insane. Oh, you scared me, kitty! And yes, I just want to take you home. But you live in such a beautiful area. You don't want to be in such a beautiful area. Yeah. But yes.
Anyways, Google says it's open, but there's just no one here, so.
Okay. Meeting another friend?
He's a jungle dog, I think.
Hi, Poochie! Hello! Hello! Careful for the car.
I'm happy to say the bike is still there. Funny thing here in Thailand, no one locks their bikes. In France, if you put a bike like that on the street and park it and you don't lock it, like, it's probably gone 9 out of 10 times. And here, no one locks their bikes.
We waited, and the coffee shop where we parked our bike is actually open. And I know I've been saying coffee, but I realized that I like a little bit of oat milk in my coffee, which they probably don't have here. Paul, he got his coffee, and I'm going with a watermelon shake. And there's doggies here that greeted us. And yeah, this is your first stop before you go all the way down to the Waterfalls, where you saw the other cafe. So you just keep making your way down the hill. It's pretty steep though, so we just parked our bike here at this shop.
Just hoping the bike on the way back is going to be able to go up.
Yeah, I'm so nervous. This is really getting me out of my comfort zone, and Paul.
Yeah.
And I've really noticed just traveling really gets you out of your comfort zone.
Also, we've made a lot of friends today. If you really think about all the animals we've seen, there was roosters, cats, dogs, a water bison.
Water buffaloes, yeah.
Water buffalo, is that what you say?
I think
water
so.
buffalo, not bison.
Stop shaking.
And
Bugs.
a lot of bugs.
Butterflies. So we're about to enjoy some drinks and this beautiful view and the music from the jungle. Their drinks here are so good.
Their food is so good. Oh, you're cute.
We are about to head back to our resort, and we're gonna be able to chill by the water for a couple hours until we head out for lunch. So let's go. So we made it back to our hotel. We are staying in a bungalow right on the beach, and I haven't showed you guys yet, so I want to show you around. What's nice is that there's only 5 bungalows here, so there's not many people. It's right on the beach, and we are absolutely loving it here. And we said if we ever come back to Koh Samui, we're always going to stay here. I think it's only $36 a night, so it's very, very cheap. And let me show you around.
Damn, those grilled cheese sandwiches, avocado, mozzarella, and tomatoes.
food. It's nice to have something different because I've been eating a lot of noodles and rice.
My basic French has and it's all pepper pad.
Good. Lunch was so good, but now it's time to go take a different walk. It is paradise here. After this, I think we should go take a nap.
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. After the nap, we get ready to go out for drinks tonight and see the sunset. We are watching a beautiful sunset at Fournier Bar, and I actually discovered Koh Samui because of them, and that is part of the reason why I'm actually on this island. And yeah, I'm just so honored to be in their presence and enjoying a drink with them, and I just had to share. Thanks for the show. You saw your first snake. Are you
Oh my
okay?
god, it's right there. Oh my god, it's right there. Man, that thing was right there, right behind us. You didn't know. It could be anywhere. It could be right there. Yeah.
You okay?